everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to introduce to you an amazing website that you can earn up to 1050 USD with just 150k words. Before we start, I want you to do something for me. Give this video a thumbs up, share with friends that needs this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit up the bell notification so that you're not going to miss my next video, okay? And I want you to know something, that you are not using money to apply for contracts. Just go to the website or the app, then read the novels there and write yours, then submit. If you are lucky enough, you will get contracts. So don't say that you are not going to do this because of money or whatever. Nobody is charging you for you to get contracts in all these sites, okay? I believe you understand that. And I want you to listen to the end of this video because I'm going to give you a hint at the end of this video. So stay till the end of this video, okay? The website is called readdictnovel.com. readdictnovel.com. This is a wonderful website that started newly accepting 5k words before giving contracts. Before they do wait, like you are going to have a complete novel before you can be able to get contracts on the website. But recently they started accepting 5k words, okay? And this website, I have known of this website since March 2023, but I'm just introducing it to you today because a lot of people are giving testimony about this wonderful website. So I would not like you to be left out. Try your possible best to try and apply for a contract in this wonderful website. So let's look at the writer's benefits. All you have to do is for you to go to the website readdit.com/benefits, okay? So this is the website you are going to go, readdit.com/benefits, okay? Then you go through it. This is the additional bonus, okay? Go through this, and in fact you are going to enjoy the benefits. It's very beautiful and succulent. So then this is the outstanding bonus you can get from the platform if your book is doing well. Okay, so this is what they are going to send to your email. If you get the contract, they will send this to your email and direct you how you can be able to gain from the website. But should I tell you something? You are going to be patient with this platform, okay? Their process is not like others, but what I want you to know is that a book that is being rejected in Good Novel or Letter Locks can be accepted in this website. So try your best. Don't put your egg in one basket, okay? Try to be versatile. Apply to this platform, and this platform, then you wait, okay? But before then, make sure that your stories are beautiful, okay? I believe you understand something. What I want you to know is that you have to be patient enough to gain something from this website. Until then, see you in my next video. If you want private coaching, if you want private course on ghostwriting, you can hit me up on my WhatsApp, then I'm going to direct you. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.